So it's nice that we have derived. Those who could not, I will elaborate in detail so that there should not be any ambiguity now. Again, Kirchhoff's mesh law. This plus this equal to VNT. VNT we put on the right hand side. So VLT plus VOT is equal to VT. Right? We use both properties, inductor and capacitor property. What is VLT? Again, it is series circuit. So IT is same. So DIT by dt plus VOT is equal to VT, right? No issues. Now what is IT? For capacitor, now we use inductor property. For capacitor, there is a relationship between VOT and IT. What is that? IT equal to dVOT by dt. So this is what di. So we write like this: d by dt of dVOT means what relation we have got? IT equal to C is 1 dVOT by dt. So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Using 3 in 2 we get this, right? Using 3 in 2 we get this, and the final answer is is it right? Is the differential equation. Now we quickly do reverse. Again we take values to 1. What we are doing is called as analysis. Synthesis we are not gone. It's not so easy. We shall come to that. Means for given differential equation, preparing a circuit. So again, not much problem, simple thing. VCT plus VOT, right? Now what we do? Now what is VCT? How will we replace? How will you replace VCT? So now we use both of these relationships. For capacitor, what is the relationship? It is series circuit, I is common. So IT is equal to C dVCT by dt. C is 1. And for inductor, VOT is equal to L, that is 1. If you use both of these above, how can you do that? How do you do it? You get instant thing. No, no, how will you proceed first? This is the equation. So you have to differentiate. So dVCT by dt plus dVOT by dt is equal to dVT by dt. Is right? Is it okay? And what is dVCT? It is dVCT is IT. So you can replace here as IT. IT plus dVOT by dt equal to dVNT by dt. But again, IT I don't want. So what? Is it okay? Up to this everybody understood? Now what? How to get rid of this IT? Once again differentiate. So when you differentiate once again, you get dit by dt plus d2VOT by dt square is equal to d2 d2V in t upon dt square. What is dit by dt? VOT. And while writing we write reverse. In this we write on the right side. Right side means ahead of this term. So d2 VOT upon dt square plus VOT is equal to d2 V in t upon. Is it right? Any issues? Because now it is just like a high school scholarship or NTS preliminary exam, where once you get the proper idea, you being smart enough, you can solve it very easily. Then problem doesn't come. Right? Now we move next for a somewhat bigger circuit. What the bigger circuit can be? Again we are not taking values. Values we are taking as 1. Later on we will make them different. And right now we are only doing analysis. Giving the circuit, asking you to create a differential equation. It's reverse. For a given differential equation, constructing of circuit is not so easy. So again same thing. How will you proceed? Though different, only thing is instead of 2, there are 3 components. So that in the Kirchhoff's mesh law, 3 terms will come on left hand side. So what? This is VRT, right? VRT plus VLT plus VOT is equal to VET. There is nothing different. What is VRT? I. What is VLT? Plus VOT is equal to, right? Is it okay? Means what property we used? We We use property of resistor. Replace VIT by IT. We use property of inductor. Replace VIT by VLT by DI by dt. Now what is not yet used? Capacity property. The capacity property tells me what? IT equal to C, that is 1. So IT equal to C, IT is equal to dVOT by dt. Just put it here. So dVOT by dt plus d by dt of dVOT. So d2 VOT upon dt square plus VOT is equal to V. So it's most simple equation. That the equation is, just we rearrange the terms in proper way. d2 VOT upon dt square plus dVOT upon dt plus VOT is equal to V. Is it right? Find out. Now it is somewhat tricky. If next lecture doesn't happen to be there, you will be getting a default break, after which we will meet somewhat early. आता 11:15 लेक्चर असेल तर तुम्हाला जेवायला लवकर जाता येईल आणि त्यानंतर लवकर जेवायला लवकर येता येईल. issue is that these are coming parallel. IRT equal to ILT plus ICT. So that you apply proper logic, and we will continue next time, immediately in the afternoon.